This is our Into Tiki playing with his Cat in the Hat toy. This is going to be going in his cage tonight. He's our official toy tester of the big toys. This toy is 6.5 pounds and it is 31 inches long. It's got 10 strands of birch and pine on it. There's some Tinker Toy wheels for foraging, ABC blocks, lots of paper, Cecil. And Tiki is our big destroyer on toys, so if it's Tiki approved, then we know it would be a good hit for those birds that really like to go at it. Tiki, you're leaving a mess on the floor. What are you doing? What are you doing, Tiki bird? Huh? You like your new toy? What do you think, Tiki, huh? You like it? Get it, Tiki. Get your toy. Get your toy, Tiki.